Okay, I think this is the Houchens building.
No, this is the financial aid office.
I think it said Houchens building on the directory though.
Okay.
But either way, this is at the University of Louisville. Whoa, what? Traditional buttons, but an impulse lantern? Strange. Oh, okay. Like those wooden doors. You're at one. Let's get a cab view here. I like the wooden cab, don't you?
Yeah, I do.
I do like the wooden doors, though they look like they're showing some wear. 2,500 pounds. This looks like they got a slap on or something. That is an impulse lantern. That's really weird. That looks like a typo. You see that?
I do.
I never really looked down here. Looks like just offices. So, what do you think about this one?
Definitely not the best we've seen, but not the worst either.
Yeah, but at least the wooden cab's nice.
Yep.
Good bonus, I'd say. And here we are. And then we got a Pepsi machine right there. There it goes. That'll be it.